Hello, I am Gajanan Namdev Savali. Today's date is 6th December 2021. Today's our discussion topic is string in Java. In today's video session, we can discuss about the string is what is string, what is the different way to declaration of string, different types of string, and what is the methods used in string use method of string used in Java. So we can start the what is string. In basically Java is there are two types of data type. First one is primitive data type. Second one is non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, there is integer, long, byte, short, float, and double. Its type of data type. But in a non-primitive data type, there are strings, array, class, and it is a user defined data type in the non-primitive data types. So string is basically non-primitive data types. In string, the string in Java is the sequence of character and array of character that can be stored the number of character value in the double quotes. The string size cannot be fixed because non-primitive data type size cannot be fixed in Java. In Java, strings are basically immutable. Immutable means when we can create the string, it cannot be changed, replace, replace the when we can initialize the string in a Java. There are two types of ways to there we can be declare the string in Java. First one is string literal and second one is using of new keyword. First one we can see string literal. String literal means we can be declare the string in double quotes. In a string literal we can declare the string, then it can be create object in a scp. That means it can be create object in a string constant pool. String constant pool is the is in the heap memory area, is a special block of memory or special memory area for the string, in which can be only save the literal string literal. Uh, this can be handled by the JVM. When we can create the double literal string in Java, then firstly JVM check the string present in a SCP. When it is not present, then it create the object in SCP, and when it's present, then it cannot be create objects. It can directly give the reference of this object to user. Second way is using the new keywords. New keywords means it is same to we have create the objects. Firstly, we can use the keyword of string, then string name, and equal to new keyword, and again string keyword use in simple braces. We can in double quotes write the string. In it can be creates the two objects. First one is heap memory area and second one is scp, means string constants pool. When the string constants pool already is types of value of string is present, then it cannot be create any object. It directly provide the reference or address of this string value. In Java, string are immutable, means it cannot be changed after its initializing. It can be mutable using a string buffer and string builder. In Java, there are three types of strings. First one is string, second string buffer, and third one is string builder. Use of string builder and buffer, we can be mutable. We can be create the mutable string. That mean we can be change the string object after the initialize, and it can be replaceable. Uh, so this is about the string in Java. Thank you.